Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and launching Swagger UI. Open the provided Open API JSON or YAML spec URL and make sure the API base URL and auth method are set. Once done, scan the resource list to locate the endpoint you need and expand it. You should verify required headers like authorization and content type so your first request won't fail. This gets you into an actionable state immediately, avoiding obvious setup delays and moving directly to testing. Now you configure the request. Pick get/post/put/delete, enter path and query parameters, and paste a valid JSON body if needed. Make sure to set authentication in the authorized dialog. Use bearer tokens, API keys, or OAuth2 flow as required, so the server accepts your call. Once configured, use try it out to send the request. Inspect response status, headers, and body. Repeat with variations to exercise edge cases and workflows for deeper validation and confidence. Finish by validating responses against the Open API schema. Confirm status codes, expected fields, and example values match. If results differ, examine request headers and server error payloads to identify mismatched content type, missing auth, or bad parameters. Make sure to reproduce failures with minimal data, then adjust payloads or tokens and retry. If the live API is unstable, point Swagger UI at a mock server or local instance. One key tip: clear cached tokens and reauthorize when authentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.